All right, welcome back. It's the Gamechanger. So I had to do a little intro for this video because the video isn't long. So when the video starts, I want to get straight to the content. Pretty much what this video is like a tips and tricks to doing the beard. I didn't have enough footage to do a full, what I deem a full tutorial on how to do a beard, which I'll shoot that content later. But I'll just show you things on how to get certain angles, how to get a slight curve on the beard, how I line the mustache, and just little tips like that. But when I drop the full video, I'll actually teach you how to shape the beard, how to get an angle on the beard, just more in-depth things. So in this video, if you want, actually in the comment section, I would love if you can leave me comments on what exactly do you want to learn when it comes to edging a beard, shaving a beard, shaping a beard, whatever you need. So just want to let you know tips, tricks in this video. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you all. Hope you like the content. Like I said, leave a comment on what you would like to learn or what exactly do you want to know when I drop the full beard tutorial. All right, thank you. Gamechanger out. All right, so one of the first and mainly really most underrated steps to edging or shaping a beard is to taper that beard into the fade, whether it be a taper fade or a bald fade. Unless the client states to you otherwise that they want to leave a hard line, never leave a hard line, right? Because it's all about making the haircut look like one piece of art. And the first step to that is tapering in the beard. Like I said, I'll do a more in-depth video teaching how to taper the beard in. If you see the clip we started, because I want to talk about these key points, but tapering the beard, use the corner of the clipper and just fade it in. Very, very important part because you want it to look like one complete piece once the beard is actually done. So that's key point number one. Second, we apply shave gel. Some people apply hot lather. I'm actually coming out with a shave gel I'm excited about. It's getting custom made. I'm actually going to the lab today. We're going to talk about some key ingredients and components I want. So I want to let you all know that. So first thing, when you're starting to shave, I always start high right under the eye. High under the eye. Why? There's a lot of little hairs. It's also a form of microdermabrasion. When you clean that skin or when you clean the dead skin and also the hair that grows right under the eye, it makes the fade look that much more cleaner. Trust me, you might not even think you see hair, so you might go directly to beard. But trust me, there are little pieces that you don't even know, little pieces of hair or dead skin that can make that client's skin look so much cleaner, which makes the beard look that much sharper. So that's point number two. All right, so point number three, you want to give that beard a nice angle. What do I mean? See how right here, I'm starting high, right? The curve on the edge up. Now, usually if you're really good with your backhand stroke on the razor, this is the perfect time to utilize that because of the angle that you're coming in. I'm right-handed, so when I'm on this side, I'm coming with my right hand, which doesn't allow me to give a smooth curve. Now, if you're not good with your backhand, another good tip, you see how my left hand, I'm using my thumb to stretch the skin towards the eye. If I manipulate that skin and pull it tighter than the skin that's below, what's going to happen is when I edge that area, it'll edge straight, but when I release the skin, it'll give it a nice curve. Rewind that until it makes sense because that's a very good way. And I'm also using the corner of that razor. Use the tip of the razor instead of the full blade so you can get a nice curve on that. Trust me, it works. And then, most clients like to keep that beard high. So don't look so much at where their hair seems full. When you start to use that razor, even those lighter hairs can help that beard get nice and full. Now, also, consult with your client. What are you looking for? Right here, do you want a wide tip base, like at the top right there where the taper is? Do they want it wide or do they want it skinny? These are all consulting things that you want to talk to them about. Right here, another key point. My client he has between his mustache and his beard, there's a thin spot. Very, very little hair, but he doesn't mind because he wants a full beard. And what I do to keep that is I just keep it as high as possible. Again, I'll go into these things in more depth when we get the full tutorial. Now, this back part, very, very important. Why? Because a lot of beards, they grow at a back curve around the ear and they curve around the ear. Some clients want to keep that. Other clients want it straight down. So again, that's a consultant tip, but keep it back far. Also be very careful around this area too, because if you try too hard to make that straight line, you'll kind of impede on that jawline and then you'll expose the jawline. So you want to keep it back along the jaw as far as possible. Now, when it comes to doing the mustache, like I said, it depends. It varies, depends on what the clients want. But I come in with my clippers first sometimes. Some clients are very ticklish, so I can go directly to razor. but keep it low on the lip, right? When you're doing the bottom part of that mustache, you don't want to lift too high on that lip because it'll start to look funny. Keep it low on the lip. If you have to, tell the client to bite their lip, and then you edge it. That'll give you a nice, crisper, sharp line. Then if you see I stretch at the top of the lip to the side of the nose to tighten the skin, and then I come with the razor. Hope that helped. Like I said, I'll drop a full video soon. You all enjoy. I really appreciate it. I hope those tips helped you with something, and we'll drop a full video soon. Thank you.